Okay, this is a video that's going to go over parts of the test that you took the other day, Friday, sorry. And some of this we've already covered in the quiz review, and then other parts of it are new, and I'll spend more time on that. So this is a different version of the same test you took, and you will fix the questions on the actual test that you took. So the first thing that you're going to do, this one was find each sum, so that would be addition. And the most important thing about this, I think, is to line it up correctly. And that should have been an easy problem. Or I don't know if you had one like this on the real test. I keep forgetting this isn't the real test. But it's just everything lined up straight, and you get 8 4/5. This one, you'd want to line it up. Oops, which I didn't do. It's been a long day, folks. All right, 1/6 and 1 1/4. Find a common denominator. 24 would be okay, but 12 is better. It's less work. And we are adding, so you will just add 1 5/12. So that was that part. All right, the next thing you were supposed to do was to subtract. So remember, when you're subtracting, and again, I would refer to the quiz recovery video that I made for you last weekend. Again, a common denominator. That's how you would do that one. I'm not going to do all of these that we've done on the quiz recovery because it'll make the video way too long. All right, so products. The big important thing about products is remembering to make improper fractions. So 2 times 7 is 14, plus 2 is 16/7, times 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 is 5/4. And in this case, you can do some cross simplification. If you go straight across, you'll get 20/7. But we can't leave it like that. You always have to simplify. Simplify. 7 goes into 22 times with 6 left over. And that's how you do that one. All right, let's look at the next part of the test. Okay, the next part of the, dividing. So the algorithm for dividing is keep, change, flip. So keep, change, flip. And again, once you get to the multiplication part, oops, you can do cross simplification. That'd be 2 over 1. In this case, you need to term in improper fractions. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, divided by 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Then you would do keep, change, flip. There's really no good place to cross simplify in this one, so we would just go straight across. It'd be 15/32. And off the top of my head, I can't think of a way to reduce that, so I think it would stay that way. All right. Found out if I do it one way, I'm going to erase all the pictures. All right, so let's look at this PEMDAS stuff. Evaluate each expression. And of course, PEMDAS is, you've been learning it for a while. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, which you do together from left to right, and addition and subtraction, which you do together from left to right. So first we're going to do the parentheses in this one. A -20 times 2 is -40. Keep that. 6 minus 9, and you notice I'm going from left to right. 6 minus 9 is -3. -3 plus 7 is +4. So this problem actually is now -40 divided by 4, which is -10, because when you divide a negative by a positive, it's negative. Hopefully that made sense to everybody. Let's move over. Oops. I guess I got to get rid of all that. Didn't want to have to get rid of all that. All right, let's move this over. Sorry, new technology. Let's move this over. Oh, it's not going to let me do anything. Okay. All right, we'll just do this one then. Negative 5 plus 6, I'm doing this first because it's in the parentheses. That's 1. Bring everything else down. And then when you look at it, you'll notice you've got multiplication and division. These first three numbers are multiplication and division, so we can just go straight across. 1 times 24 is 24, divided by 4 minus 7. 24 divided by 4 is 6 minus 7, so the answer would be negative 1. I don't really know why it's doing that because I didn't do that before. All right, let's look at this one. So we have all this in parentheses. Negative 12 plus 8 minus 4 plus 3. So there's a couple different ways you can do this. You can group them or you could just go straight across. Negative 12 plus 8 is negative 4. Different side subtract. Negative 4 plus a negative 4 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5. So in the end, we have negative 5 divided by 5, which is negative 1. I'm going to stop this video here because it's getting a little long, and I'll come right back.